So this is my current video. I'll show you how to easily speed up this video. First of all, I'm selecting a frame or part from which part I want to speed up my video. Then I'm just pressing C on my keyboard to cut this part. Once the part separated, I'm just right clicking on the second part and clicking on speed duration. Now click on the speed box, and here I want to slow speed this video 3x. So here's I'm just adding 30%, and then click on this frame sampling and select your optical flow, and then I'm clicking on OK. And after that, you have to put this playhead at the 0 seconds of your timeline, and then press I on your keyboard and move your playhead at the end of your footage and press O on your keyboard. Now hit enter, and that's how you have to render your frames. Once successfully rendered, now I'm just playing my video, and here as you can see I've successfully slow down my video clip at this point.